Ivan, go to Sri Lanka. Always bring valuable information on wood protection. If you are with us, if you watched our previous videos, you know we are bringing valuable information on wood protection. So today I am from Copenhagen, Denmark, which GORI is originated. Especially to bring a good news for deck owners. Right, deck is one of most significant, most critical application which we cannot protect against weather. uh, Maybe direct sunlight, water, everything will affect this, but most significantly water will damage the wood with the time. So in some instances in Sri Lanka we have seen that within very short periods like 10 years, 12 years we have to replace the wood, right? But with GORI wooden decking oils, we were able to protect it to up to maybe 40-50 years time. I mean, we have a good range of decking oils, but the good news is now in 2023 we launched GORI 7 bio-based brand new decking oil, which will gives a better protection to your wooden deck. If you recall that, I mean, how a wooden deck will be degraded? It's most probably due to water. You know, a water droplet, if the water droplet is clogged on the horizontal surface of the deck, with the time slowly it will be penetrated into the wood. So this will make the wood weaken, wood degraded. So the thing we have to do is to stop avoid this water penetrating into the wood. So for that actually surface coating will not work. You know why? I mean, a small hair scratch will be enough to water to penetrate into the wood. So a surface coating always, you know, a decking always will be with the heavy traffic. You will walk on that, you will drag some furniture on that, so scratching is possible easily. So a surface coating will not work on this case. Definitely a oil is the solution. So with a traditional oil, you know, I mean, within 3 to 6 months you have to recoat it again, otherwise, you know, it will not last for a long. But now GORI 7 with improved formula, it will last for 18 to 24 months. So the maintenance will be lesser with GORI 7, as well as it will penetrate more deep into the wood and make a thick barrier. So it will be able to protect your wood, I mean, better than traditional decking oils. So GORI 7 is available in Sri Lanka and Maldives now. In Sri Lanka, I mean, you can buy it with a special introductory discount also. So all the information will be available on our Facebook page, and also you can call this number shown in the screen for more information. So our technical team is always happy to help you out for all your wooden protection requirements. Call us, then we will provide you more information on this thing and the technical assistance also. So always go to Sri Lanka. We are here to assist you in wood protection. In next videos also, please be with us. We will definitely bring more valuable information to you. Thank you.